Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Dom, and this is the magnetic charging stand by Benks. Now, for those of you who haven't been following my social media, I can't remember exactly how long ago it was now, but not so long ago, I decided to make the switch. I decided to switch back to the Apple ecosystem after a 2-year break. So I upgraded my mobile phone contract to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'll explain why I did that in more detail in an upcoming video. But yeah, to cut a long story short, I got given a pretty decent deal with my current network provider. I also decided to get a Apple Watch. This is just the 44mm Apple Watch SE in a SpyGen case, and I actually bought that secondhand at CEX for about £130, to see if this is the way forward for me. I'm actually kind of tempted to get the Apple Watch Ultra, but that's a story for another day. I've also decided to get the second generation AirPods Pro, which once again there will be a more dedicated review coming up about that soon. But yeah, they are absolutely phenomenal. And this entire thing started after I decided to upgrade my aging computer to this M1 MacBook. I mean, put it this way, it's true what they say. When you get one Apple device, sometimes it really is difficult to resist not getting all of the other stuff. But yeah, one of the main issues I face when it comes to charging all this new tech is that I have a lot of cables, as you can see, and it really doesn't look great. So when I saw this online, I decided to get it. I mean, I paid about, was it 50? I paid about £50 for this, and yeah, we'll see what it's like. Now, looking at the box, this is compatible with up to 30 watts fast charging, and you got a adjustable viewing angle. And yeah, there isn't really much detail on the box, other than that it's 30 watts fast charging compatible. It's got a stable and sturdy, and it's got a strong magnetic connection. So yeah, let's unbox this to see what it's like. Okay, so yeah, this is what the box looks like. It's very shiny, this. Yeah, I'm getting my unboxing knife. Okay, that was a bit of a fail. I don't want to damage the box too much because it does look really cool. Okay. So that is it. I think I may have opened it the incorrect way, but never mind. So you get a little past QC pass certificate thing there. You also have a little manual. And yeah, this is the device. So for starters, it's actually a lot more weighty than I thought it was going to be. And it doesn't feel plastic, which is good to see. Obviously, it probably is some form of plastic, but it feels very premium. Okay, so actually, this isn't a strictly speaking black, it's more of a silver, which is brilliant because it won't blend in too much with my black desk. And actually, it suits this grey desk mat really, really well. And yeah, can I just say that this charger looks really, really nice. I mean, it feels premium, it feels kind of metallic actually. Obviously, you've got a charging pad here for something like your AirPods. You've got a watch charger here, and you've got your phone charger here. So I'll show you how all of that works in a bit. But yeah, all of this is powered by a USB-C connection, which I think is pretty cool. what I forgot to mention is the charging stand also comes with quite a nice and lengthy charger. Yeah, it's a USB-C to USB-C charger. Yeah, it appears to be pretty long. Yeah, so I've been using this sort of charging stand for the time being, and yeah, I mean it's okay, but you know, it does make the desk look really untidy. So I'm now gonna connect it. Yeah, let's plug this in and see what it's like. So I'm gonna put this sideways to activate the clock. Beautiful. Also put my AirPods on here. That noise, and should also be able to put my watch on. Let's have a go. Perfect. And yeah, this entire thing just looks really, really nice, and it looks so much better than all the cables that I just had lying around there. Yeah, so far my first impressions of the BenQ charging stand are pretty impressive. I mean, it looks very premium for what I paid for it. And on top of that, it just looks really, really nice. And of course, it does the main thing, which is charging my accessories, which I guess is important. Yeah, that's it for me in this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Till next time.